Hi, I'm Revivo from ASB.
And I'm Elan Esagoff from KBEV. This is the week of January 13th.
Welcome to the Norman Update. As you all know, Jupyter is being replaced by both Aries and Google Classroom. Aries is where you can see grades, attendance, and much more. Make sure to turn on your Aries email notifications, as your teachers could also send class announcements. Aries is accessible through the Aries Apple or Android app and on your computer browser.
Google Classroom is a workspace for both teachers and students. Students must be logged into their BHUSD accounts to see their classes. Your BHUSD Gmail account will receive notifications from Aries and Google Classroom. Your personal email account will not be receiving announcements anymore. Google Classroom can also be accessed from your computer browser and Apple and Android App Store.
Seniors, this year we'll be hosting a senior movie night. If seniors have any suggestions for movies, they can email helageffer2020@gmail.com. Also, don't forget to fill out your information for your diploma through the email from Miss Bennett.
Open House is this Wednesday, January 15th from 6 to 8 p.m. This event is geared towards incoming freshmen, but everyone is welcome to join and browse around different clubs and extracurriculars. For a full schedule of Open House, check the bulletin. Also be sure to check into KBEV's 50-second Open House show on YouTube for full coverage and exclusive interviews with teachers, students, and administration. And remember, we have early dismissal Wednesday for the event.
Junior and sophomore students and parents are encouraged to attend the college admission testing night on January 14th at 6 p.m. in the Turney. Learn about your PSAT scores, SAT, and ACT, what really matters in admission, and what your next steps are.
Seniors, Beverly Hills High School specific scholarships are available for you. Now apply on Naviance. Scholarships range from $500 upwards to $3,000, and all seniors are welcome to apply. For any questions, ask Ms. Rowley in the College Center. Remember, this week we have early dismissal Wednesday for Open House. And also remember to check your email at least once a day.
Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Revivo.
And I'm Elan Esagoff. We'll see you next week.